The Yoneha Hydrangea Gardens of Okinawa, Japan. This is Cinematic Asia. The Yoneha Hydrangea Garden is located in Izumi of Motobu-cho town in northern Okinawa, locally known as the Yoneha Ajisai. The garden had originally been a tangerine field before its owner, Miss Uto Yohena, started planting hydrangeas, and they grew and covered the entire garden. Now there are more than 300,000 beautiful flowers blooming from nearly 30 different species of hydrangeas in the vast garden. Not only the blue, but also the purple and white ones that cover the entire area will immediately grab your eyes as you walk through the entrance. The name hydrangea comes from the ancient Greek words for water vessel, hydor and angos. This was chosen as the seed capsules for hydrangeas resemble cups. However, it's a fitting name in another way, as hydrangeas love water, and as cut flowers, they tend to be quite thirsty. The colors of the flowers are all down to chemistry. For certain varieties of hydrangea, the color of the bloom depends on the chemical makeup of the soil. Acidic soils will produce blue or purple flowers, whilst alkaline soils create pink and red petals. In Japan, hydrangeas are often associated with apologies. An old Japanese legend says that an emperor gave blue hydrangeas to a woman he loved as a sincere apology for neglecting her. The Yoneha Hydrangea Garden has been selected as one of the 30 best hydrangea gardens in Western Japan, and it draws a number of visitors from all over the world. The owner of this unique hydrangea garden, Miss Yoneha, lived to be 100 years old. She has been seen on local TV and in magazines, and she has been awarded for contributing such beauty to the scenery of her community. The paths in the garden are paved, which allows for stroller access easily as well. However, be prepared for some narrow steps if you're planning to go up to the areas above and observe the spectacular scenery spreading down the hill. The season for hydrangea in Okinawa is from early May to mid-June, depending on the weather. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe and ring the notification bell for future releases.